Hello everyone, my name is Priyanka and I welcome you all once again to my session. So let's go for our question. It says that if the image formed by a mirror for all positions of the object placed in front of it is always diminished, erect and virtual, state the type of mirror and also draw a ray diagram to justify your answer. And then we have to write the use of such mirror. Okay, so basically any spherical mirror are of two types. One is concave and the other is convex. A concave mirror forms both the real as well as virtual image depending upon the positions of the object placed in front of it. However, a convex mirror always forms a virtual image of an object for all the positions of the object placed in front of it. So, our answer in this case is the convex mirror. So, let's make a ray diagram of it. Okay, so for making the ray diagram, the most important thing first of all is the principal axis. Alright, so let's draw our mirror now, which is the convex mirror. So this is the shaded side and this point, which we call it as pole. In this case, this is going to be the focus and this is going to be the center of curvature. Let's just keep the object here, that is erected object, and we're going to name our object as AB. Alright, so let's start with our ray diagram. So first of all, let's just take a ray which is parallel to the principal axis. Okay, now it being a diverging mirror, therefore the ray is going to diverge. And we are knowing that it is going to meet at the focus. So here is our focus. The next ray, we can assume that the ray that is passing to the center of curvature, so it's going to fall undeviated. So we can say that this is our, so here we can say that these two rays are meeting at this point, A dash and B dash. Therefore, here we can see that our image A dash B dash is diminished as the size is small. It is virtual because the rays were not actually meeting. We have made them to meet at a point, and it is erect. So these are the properties of the image formed by a convex mirror. Now let us try to talk about the usage of this mirror. Because we have seen that it makes the erect and diminished image, so it can be used in rear view mirror in automobiles. Rear view mirrors in automobiles, because in that case it is going to cover a much larger distance as well. It can also be used in reflectors, in street light bulbs and also in parking lot. So I hope the ray diagram was clear to you. Thank you so much for your time. Have a great day. Bye bye.